Oh God! Oh! Oh!
No, hold on. Alright.
This is because we're out fighting, right? There. Alright. Roger, do you know how to take a picture?
Hold on, move your hands, Ryan.
I'm taping.
Yeah,
You're taping?
Yeah, the picture will interrupt the tape and take it off.
Oh God! Like grab, like just like a bunch of tape.
Come on, Tommy.
Oh!
Yeah.
We didn't. Oh wow.
I'm gonna pee myself now.
Oh, you're going for it, Alex? Oh, monster big jump.
Dude, I know, this is smaller than... We were up here when I
was
I jumped it when I was
I
up here.
can never jump that. That's when I'm gonna quit.
That's taller than me. That's why I can't jump it. You're taller than me.
Hey, it was a little lower.
Oh, you're up here.
Yeah,
You're
right.
tall. You can do it.
Look at a pole vault.
You're tall, you can do it.
Yeah, really.
Right about
Yeah,
that.
right.
You should be going higher than me. I'm going like higher than my height.
Wasn't it
Yeah,
a little
no,
bit
so
lower? It was like...
It's right there. Go.
Go! Come on, big kid.
Go for it.
Oh God, oh God.
Oh, God,
You're
yeah,
out.
yeah.
You're out. Hey,
grab it.
Alex, you have to hold.
Have Roger grab because he knows his camera.
Screw that, man. That's
Okay.
right. I would have knocked my head on that. I can't
Go
jump.
jump up that.
Hey, wait. Time out, Ryan. Don't go.